Dito na kami sa Philippine Senate. Papasok na kami. Kasama ko si Kagawad Junior. Ayan o. Tingnan natin tong ano. Baka bawal mag video dito. First time namin papasok dito eh. Ayan o. Ayan o. May Senate canteen pa dito. So hanap kami ng parking. Hanap tayo ng parking. So, ito pala yung Senate of the Philippines building yan. So, hanap uli kami ng parking, ikot uli kami. So, ito na kami sa Senate of the Philippines. Sama ko si Kagawad Junior. Kag! Kasama namin si Rocky dito, red carpet. Wala no.
Ito yung ano, ito yung 19th Congress. Ito na yung bago. 20th Congress. Bayo ko na ano na rin dito. Pwedeng ano, bro. Mamaya, pwede mo mag-video dito pag hindi pa start yung session. Pero pag yung pinalo na ni session, naka-live na, bawal na yung video. Pero pag pero picture.
Number 155. Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of Senate Bill 155 for third reading is in order. The Secretary will read the title of the measure and conduct a roll call vote.
And simplifying the documented requirements for assessing government financial assistance and foreign purposes. Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Montiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapi, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marco Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camil, Senator Villamar, Senator Subiri, Senate President Soto.
Affirmative. With 19 affirmative votes, 0 negative votes, and 0 abstention, Senate Bill 155 is approved for third reading.
Mr. President, I recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo to give an explanation of this.
Senator Erwin Tulfo is recognized.
Mr. President,
Nandun sa gitna. Nasa tabi ni SP Soto. To kompleto to, lalabas to lahat dyan. O yan, sige. Gatchel yan. O yan. Sabang. Yan si Panpilo. Abig sa'yo eh. Okay.
Session resumed.